my dear students. Welcome back to our computer class. Today we are going to start chapter 1. The very first chapter, that is evolution of computer. So let's start. First point is of this chapter, history of computers. Okay. First point of this chapter, history of computer, is abacus. The word abacus is derived from the Greek word abax, meaning calculating board or calculating table. Man used his finger and toes to count things for quantities greater than 10. Natural things, natural items like pebbles, seeds, shells and twigs were used. The first Chinese abacus was invented around 500 BC. The abacus we know today was used in China around 1300 AD. Abacus is used for counting and calculating. It consists of beads or discs that can be moved up and down on a series of sticks or string within a rectangular wooden frame. It is based on the concept of a place value. Yes, abacus, so many students have learned abacus. Abacus is looking like this. There are some strings and there are some beads. It will be movable beads. Okay, this wooden frame, it has some strings and some beads also. This is called abacus. Earlier days, it will be used for the calculating and counting. Next point is Napier bones. Napier bones were invented by John Napier, a Scottish mathematician and scientist, in 1616. They help to do multiplication and divisions. There are 9 different bones. In this Napier bones, there are 9 different bones or strips with numbers on them. Using the multiplication tables embedded in the rods, multiplication can be reduced to addition operations and division to subtraction. Okay. Third point, history of computer, is Pascaline. The Pascaline was the first mechanical calculator or adding machine. Okay. It was invented by a French scientist, Blaise Pascal, in the year of 1642. The machine had a series of interlocking cogs or wheels. It could only do addition and subtraction. The numbers were entered by manipulating its dials. The Pascaline is, there are so many wheels over the frame and it will working. Okay. Next point is Leibniz's machine. In 1671, the German mathematician philosopher Gottfried Wilhelm von Leibniz designed a calculating machine called the step reckoner. It could also multiply, divide and work out square roots. It could store data by using a register or memory store for the first time. Okay. First, use square root, Leibniz machines. Next, Jacquard loom. Power loom, you know. Jacquard loom. In 1801, the Frenchman Joseph Marie Jacquard invented a power loom. It used punch card. The loom could base its weaving upon a pattern which was automatically read from punched wooden cards held together in a long row by a rope. This also helped in using the pattern again and again. Yes, this is a type of power loom. Okay, Jacquard will discover this kind of loom. It is also a calculating machine. Next is difference engine. Charles Babbage designed the difference engine in 1822. The difference engine was a calculating machine which was used only arithmetic addition. Yes, difference engine only used for arithmetic addition, and it was invented by Charles Babbage, the father of modern computer. Next, analytical engine. Number 7 is analytical engine. It is also discovered by Charles Babbage in the year of 1832. It is invented 1822 and it is invented 1832. It was the first general purpose automatic mechanical digital computer. It would be able to perform any calculation set before it. It was programmable and used punch cards. The basic structure of the analytical engine was the one on which the computer design is based today. Input, output and storage. Yes, this is the computer where we can use the Charles Babbage can divided three parts: input, output and storage capacity. And nowadays our computer is totally based on this particular analytical engine. Last one, tabulating machine. Herman Hollerith, an American, built the world's first practical calculating machine called a tabulator. Okay, it was invented to help process data for the US census in 1890. A few years later, in 1924, his company went on to become International Business Machines, that is IBM. Nowadays we are very well known the software company of IBM. Okay, so children, I think this much for today. Next day we are going to continue this chapter. For the timing, stay home, be safe. Thank you.